In this problem, we have multiple choice. Which of the following equations could be used to create this table? And so we have our x and our y. We often think about these in algebra as input and output. So I'm going to take my input and put it into one of these equations and see if I get the output. So I'm going to start with the first equation and we're going to eliminate all the possibilities. I'm going to use this top line right here, this -9. And so we have y equals, and I'm going to input that -9 into the x and have that divided by 2. And so -9 divided by 2 is -4.5. So immediately the first input output doesn't work. So that is not going to be our choice for this problem. Let's try the second one. Same numbers, we're going to use -9. And so 2 times -9, that's going to give us -18. That is certainly not 5. And so this is not the correct equation. Our next problem says y equals x minus 4, so we're going to take our input of -9 and put that in for x and subtract the 4, and so we have y equals -13. So immediately, again, that is not our choice. Now it should be the last one, so let's see how this works. Y equals -9 plus 4. That definitely gives us -5, so that checks out. But we do want to verify that it works for the other ones as well. And so using the same equation, y equals x plus 4, let's try y equals, and I'm going to input my -2 this time, -2 plus 4, and -2 plus 4 is 2, so that checks out. Next one, y equals 4 plus 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8, and so that line checks out. And our last one, y equals 11 plus 4, and that gives us 15, and so that last line checks out. And so the equation that is used to create this table is that last one, letter D. So we've done the process of elimination, and notice for the first 3 we only had to try the first numbers. Now if the first number worked, the second one might not, so you do have to be careful there. In each of these cases, the first number didn't work, so we were able to cross it out immediately. But be careful. You do want to try the other ones when you have this kind of situation.